I think today we've launched a very new aggressive tariff for all consumers in AP. We will now be offering any mobile call, any call in India at 25 paisa per minute, local as well as STD. This comes in two variants for customers who only use local call. With a recharge of 17 rupees a month, they will be able to make all local calls at 25 paisa. There are customers who have a local as well as an STD usage, long distance. For them, they will have to recharge with 29 rupees and all their local and STD calls are at 25 paisa per minute. If you were to look at this rate of 25 paisa, this is a discount of almost about 50% to what we offer in the market. And this is a substantial discount. And the customers who use this plan will be able to save almost about 15% on their mobile bills. A few months back, we also launched another initiative which was extra talk time on every recharge. Today, Uninor is the only operator who offers extra talk time on every recharge of 10 and above. This extra talk time, along with this 25 paisa per minute, would help a customer in Andhra Pradesh, whether it's a Uninor user or any other user who moves to Uninor, to save at least about 50% on their monthly mobile phone bills. In a situation where we are only seeing prices go up, including mobile tariffs, including commodity prices, we continue to be Sabse Sasta, and we keep up a promise for consumers in AP that we will continue to offer the best and help them save as much as possible every month on their mobile phone bills. We have close to 4 million plus subscribers in AP. I think from an offer, I think this is the best which anyone can actually offer in the market. This combined along with the distribution and a service reach, I think we hope to get some very good numbers in. I think we've been growing very well. If you were to look at on a monthly basis on the gross ad in the areas where we present, we are almost at about a 16% share. On the revenue market share on the overall industry, we are at about 3.2%. We expect to get as many customers as possible. So we've not kept a target in mind, but the kind of offer what we've come up with, I'm sure every prepaid user or every mobile user in Andhra would want to use Uninor and save money. And this is a big plan what we have launched. We want to see the success of the plan and then we take one at a time.